Coming a year after the launch of the standard BMW R 1300 GS, the new 2025 BMW R 1300 GS Adventure makes a big splash with a range of new optional technological advancements, including fully automatic transmission, adaptive ride height, and active cruise control. As revealed by Rena Fings, the product manager responsible for all the changes to the new R 1300 GS Adventure and introducing you to its technical details, the R 1300 GS Adventure is designed to explore the world with maximum endurance and limitless functionality in mind, and it obviously delivers some obvious yet unique features, including a large 30L aluminum tank for long periods of uninterrupted travel, added guards all around, and a completely new aluminum subframe that will carry 2 passengers, and luggage for a comfortable and tough ride, aluminum pens, and top casing to fit all your luggage. A maximum total of over 140L of storage can be achieved, which is quite a lot. Many more changes to the motorcycle. Let's see the highlights of the changes. Thanks for watching.